Hi everyone. So this is the overview video for the welcome section of the Ecology and Natural History of the Sonoran Desert course. So in this welcome area, you're going to see some important information. So I'm just going to walk through the welcome section of this course. So here you're going to see again that welcome page and getting started. And here is that Canvas overview video in case you want to access it again. After this, you see Getting Started with Canvas, and it talks about how to access important course materials and tools that you'll see in the course navigation menu, which remember is to the left. So in the course navigation menu, remember you're going to access the home page, the announcements, syllabus, modules, and of course your grades appear here. Next, within the welcome section is a really important part that talks about Turnitin and plagiarism and how Turnitin is used for all the assignments. There's a useful overview of plagiarism that can be found at plagiarism.org, what it is, understanding it, and how to prevent it. I can't emphasize enough the Purdue Online Learning Lab that provides recommendations for avoiding plagiarism, but it also contains many useful resources and how to write in APA format. It provides some example papers, example bibliographies, example citations. So this is a really useful site for a lot of reasons. And then there is a section here about writing expectations for all assignments. As I mentioned before, there are citation styles. The APA style information can be found on that Purdue Online Writing Lab. Also, the ASU Writing Center provides a lot of tutors and support online and both on site, and you can schedule appointments for writing assistants and get a lot of help that way. So I've had many students make use of this service, and it really is a big support. So that is this Turnitin and plagiarism. The next section in the welcome section is talks about the environmental education certificate and environmental education standards. So this course is a part of the environmental education program of distinction through the Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College at ASU. And so through this, many of you are probably on your way to earning this additional certificate. So the brochure is here in case you're interested in learning more about it. And then we also have a link to the environmental education standards that are used to guide the biodiversity and conservation learning that are a part of this certificate and program of distinction. So there you have it, is the overview of the welcome section of this course.